Has your visitor left?
Yeah, yes.
Who is he?
An old friend.
Oh,
An old friend.
Okay? Stop lying and tell Mom who he is.
Meaning what exactly?
Meaning you should tell Mom who the guy is to you.
Can you just shush it? Do you know the guy from somewhere?
Can you just shut up? Say the truth and shame the devil. Mom, I came in this afternoon and I saw this perfect gentleman seated here, pretty, and he introduced himself to me as her husband too.
What?
Oh yes, that is it, Mom. So why are you just fooling yourself?
Chantel,
Why don't you just tell Mom what
Chantel, stop the nonsense. Mom, Franklin is the only man in my life.
Oh, can you just stop lying? Stop it, you're irritating right now. Franklin is the only man in your life? I mean, how are you this shameless? When you know you have dozens of men running around you, go around and getting engaged to every man, and you chose not to leave Franklin for me. I mean, my Tony. What sort of a devil are you? Nonsense.
Mom, want Chantel to stay the hell away from my business. The so-called man who introduced himself to her as my fiancé is my ex. We parted ways long ago. I don't even know how he found his way to this place. No idea.
Are you now blaming your sister? Instead of blaming the man that introduced himself to your sister as your fiancé?
Mom, Mom, think about this. You and I know that Chantel has an ulterior motive. She came back to disrupt my wedding and to steal my man. Mom, please, I am begging you. I'm asking you politely to warn her. Because I will kill her before she even thinks of doing either of those things. Warn her.
What kind of problem is this? If I had known that all this would come up, I would not have let Chantel come back to Nigeria. She would have stayed over there.
Frank, I'm so sorry I missed your call. I was at my fiance's place when you called. I went to see her parents, but unfortunately the man was out.
No other. I got a call from my fiance's sister. You wouldn't believe the nonsense that stupid lady told me.
Really?
She said my fiance is having something with another man.
The same fiance that said that he got her pregnant in London and abandoned her.
It's Bonyala.
It's Bonyala.
Same person.
Listen, Frank, you need to be careful with that girl. She might be up to something.
You're right. You're right. I know she's up to something. I know. I'm a bad guy. I know. No women. I'll just tell my fiance to be careful. In fact, I've told her already. Be very careful.
Very important before it's too late.
Inside every day. Someone is dying inside slowly.
Oh, here she comes. Can you stop lying? Stop deceiving yourself and tell yourself the truth.
Chantal, please take your troubles some places. Listen, I will not let you snatch my man from me. No matter what you do or say, it doesn't matter. I won't let you even disrupt my wedding to Franklin. So please, go find someplace else to play. I'm not in the mood.
And a shameless one. How can you be dating two men at the same time? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
No, you should be ashamed of yourself. You are the one who came here to talk about my man. I didn't. So who should be ashamed? Tell me.
You're a stupid girl.
Chantal, please go play someplace else. I am not in the mood. I am not interested.
Do I look like I care? No. Do I care how you feel?
What has gone wrong with both of you? Huh?
Father, you should be asking her what has gone wrong with her. You know what? She shouldn't have come back in the first place.
Really? Thank God I came back. Thank Thank God I came back to stop you from marrying my man.
Will both of you shut up? Shut it!
You don't get this whole point. You don't get it.
Have you lost it? Why would both of you two sisters be fighting over a man?
Mother, you should ask her that question. He is my man. I am not fighting over him. She came here to disrupt my wedding. Mother, talk to her. If she cannot support me, let her go back to London and stay the hell there. She should leave me the hell alone, please.
And what the hell makes you think that I can go back to London just like that? Who are you? You know what? As long as I leave, this wedding has failed. As long as I'm concerned, you will not marry my man. Not a prostitute like you.
What?
Oh yes, you heard me.
Why would you call your sister a prostitute? Why would you?
Is there anything better than that?
What did you just call me? What did you call me?
A prostitute.
What?
Are you stop it! Are you stupid? Jesus.
No, come up! Fight me! Come fight me! Stupid thing.
Immaculate!
You want my man to marry you?
Immaculate! Shut up! What have you done to your sister?
I have not done anything. She started.
What do you mean by that?
Immaculate! Immaculate!
I didn't do anything.
Immaculate!
I didn't.
What did you do? Come back here! Immaculate!
Finally, you are back. Welcome, sir. Where have you been? So you left me here and went to see another man. What have I done to you?
Which woman are you talking about?
You know exactly what I am talking about. Shut up, why are you so wicked and mean? What's my crime? Tell me, what have I done to deserve such treatment from you? No, tell me, who is she? What does she have that I don't have? I have breasts, I have bum bum, I am light skinned, I am loaded. So what does she have that I don't have? Shadrach, tell me.
Ruth, I'm just returning back. Please, just let me be. I beg you.
Shadrach, I will not let you be. I will not let you be. I've been calling you since and you refuse to pick my call. You're telling me to let you be. How? What have I done to you?
Didn't I tell you to go that I'll send for you when I'm less busy?
Busy my foot, Shadrach. Busy my foot. Oh, now I see the reason why you wanted to send me out of this house. Because you had another mistress coming into your home, right? This is the reason why you want to send me out. Splash News, let me tell you something. See that girl? I will definitely find out who she is. And when I do, trust me, you know me now, I will make her regret her life. I will make her regret for causing me this heartbreak. Nonsense.
What kind of nonsense is this? I think it's high time I let this girl know my mind, because I will not let her or any woman come between me and me Immaculate. Never!
What is it? Where are you here? What have you come to do here? You are the reason my daughter is in this condition? The reason both of my daughters are fighting each other?
Madam, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, just calm down and understand. Your daughter Chantel has mistaken me for someone else.
Oh my God! What kind of a man are you? You are still lying after everything. Chantel showed us the picture both of you took in London. What are you saying?
See? That's the thing. I've never been to London all my life. I do business in China and Dubai. I have never been to London. I'm not the Tony she's talking about.
What do you mean by that?
Baby. My love. Baby.
Thank God.
Baby.
Thank God, my daughter, you've opened your eyes.
Baby.
Where am I?
Baby.
Yeah. Okay, easy.
What am I doing here?
Just relax. Calm down. Let me call the nurses. Nurse!
I'm just The doctor will soon be here and he will explain everything to you.
My head hurts.
Relax. Relax.
What is going on here? Where are all my photos? Tony's pictures were not even complete. So I can have peace and tranquility in my father's house. Okay, I know this is the handwork of Immaculate. Don't worry. Can you imagine, Daddy? I can't even find my pictures and they're not even complete.
Now listen to me, Shanta, or whatever you call yourself. I am just coming back from the hospital. And I was told that you have not gone to the hospital to see your sister. Why? Shanta, why? I am talking to you.
I've been busy.
Busy doing what?
I've been busy looking good.
This is an act of wickedness. Let me tell you. Can you imagine that you have not gone to see your sister? I'm ashamed of you. Yes! I'm totally disappointed. This is wickedness. Bearing in mind, you are the one that put her in that condition. Shanta!
Daddy, is this all you have to say? You all keep blaming me for every single mistake. Don't you think she contributed to all of this? Is this not Immaculate's fault? She started it. How can she just... It's very simple. Leave my man alone. Leave Tony alone. What is so hard? Can't you just advise your child?
Shut up. Will you shut up? With the level of your education, you are still behaving like this. I'm ashamed of you. Honestly, thank God that nothing happened to my daughter. Just thank your star that nothing happened to my daughter.
He said his daughter. So I'm nobody's daughter in this house? Then what the hell am I doing here? If I don't belong here, tell me so I can leave. Just advise your daughter not to go close to Tony. Whenever, if not, she will return to that hospital. Nonsense. Do I look like I care? No.
I'm just coming from the hospital. My mother wouldn't let me talk to her. She believes I'm the cause of everything.
Listen, Frank, you need to do something about this. Why would she think something like that? This matter is getting more serious than I thought. So how about the father? Is he on the same opinion with the wife?
I don't know. I've not met him since this whole thing started.
You need to try and meet up with him. The daughter from London might have met your look-alike. That's what I feel like.
It's more than a look-alike. Taking time to look at those pictures. That's me, bro. The person in those pictures is me. It's me. That's why I'm so confused. And she has to explain how she got those pictures. I've looked at them. I don't think they're photoshopped. It's me. I mean, when did I meet this woman? When did I date her? She needs to explain.
Yes, you are right. So, how about your mother? Does she know about this matter?
No. I don't want to tell my mother. It will hurt her. My mother's health is fragile right now. It might affect her health. I don't want anything to happen to my mother. And my mother loves Immaculate so much already, even though she hasn't met her.
Then I think the best thing for you to do is just for you to leave this town. Go elsewhere and do your court marriage first. Huh?
I can't run away. I cannot run away. I need to unravel this mystery. No. Real men don't run. I'll stay back. I'll unravel this mystery. I will find out who the Stony guy is.
Talking about the Tony guy, the so-called Tony guy, what if this guy is not even in existence? Yes.
What about my beautiful wife, Immaculate? I was expecting to see her the first time I came in. Didn't you tell her I was coming?
Mama, she's not around right now.
You got her on the phone. I want to hear her lovely voice. You know you have been promising to bring her to the village, but you've not done that. Is it good or the
It's not good. Fine, I take the blame, I'm sorry. I've been very busy. Yes, I've been going from one state to the other. Business. But don't worry, you see her. Mama, relax now. You're just coming. You need to go and freshen up, eat, have food. Later we talk. You see her.
Hello. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my beautiful daughter. How are you?
I'm beautiful.
Frankie. She must be my daughter-in-law. We just talked about.
Oh yes, I am.
Anyway, I'm Frank's mother. Come help me.
Why not?
You are too beautiful.
Thank you.
Frankie. Waka.
What is wrong with you?
Can you stop dragging me? Can't you be a gentleman for once? You want to get me out?
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? I don't know you.
I know you.
I don't know you.
I know you.
Well, it's possible you know me. I'm a very handsome man, but I don't know you. Nobody knows me, okay? Those pictures are fake. If you're planning to blackmail me with them, it will not work. Those pictures are fake.
That's a lie.
Leave my house now.
That's a lie. I know
John!
you. Those photos are not fake.
John!
You cannot intimidate
Move her
me.
out now.
You said you love me. I'm not going anywhere.
I don't.
You said you love me.
Move her out, John. You're wasting my time. Push her out.
Hey. Don't touch me with your infectious, pirated hands. Get out.
John, carry her on your head. Move.
Don't touch it. Leave me alone. Get out. Johnny, you said you love
John,
me.
keep going.
You said you love me. Don't. I will kick your ass.
Lock the gate, my friend. Lock. Come. How did she get in here? I'm asking you, John. Huh? The last time I told you, I don't want to see anybody in my house uninvited. Didn't I warn you?
No, sir. Sorry,
Last time.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Last
sir.
time.
Yes, sir.
No need to fight. Let it be serene. Two sisters fighting for a man. Battle for love. Battle for love. Baby, my love. I'm not gonna leave up for you. I must fight. Battle for love. Battle for love. I must fight. Baby, my love. I'm not gonna leave up for you. I know the police. My love. Live up for me. I know the police. My love. I must stay. I know the police.
Guy, I am telling you. It's crazy. Yes, you will not believe this. This girl told my mother she's my fiancée. Can you imagine? Psycho.
Jesus Christ, and you allowed her?
I didn't want to embarrass her in front of my mother. I didn't want my mother to know what's going on. So I sent my mother upstairs and then I chased her out of my house.
Listen, guy, you need to sort this thing out before your mother takes her in as her future daughter-in-law. I hope you know that.
Don't bother yourself. I'll sort it out. In fact, if she comes to my house again to say such rubbish, I'll get her arrested.
Frank, it's me, your mother.
Bro, let me call you back. My mother is here. I think she wants to speak to me.
Talk to you later.
I'll call you back later, okay?
Alright, bye.
Mother. So,
Where is my daughter-in-law?
she left. Something came up, an emergency, and she had to leave.
I hope all is well.
No problems, mother. You have nothing to worry about. I was just about to go take a shower before you came in. So let me just freshen up and I'll meet you downstairs. Alright. Okay.
Why did you end the call, Shadrach, the moment you saw me?
I don't understand.
No, what don't you understand? The moment I walked in, you terminated the call. Why?
That wasn't what happened. I was just on call with my friend, Franklin.
Liar, Shadrach. Liar! You see that girl? I will definitely look for her. And when I do, Shadrach, trust me now, you will definitely hear what I will do to her. You will hear it!
Rita, I want to ask you, why are you troubling my life? You are just my girlfriend and you're behaving like this. That means I'll be dead by the time I get married to you. What's all this?
So I'm now your girlfriend. I'm now a girlfriend, not your fiancé anymore. And Shadrach, thank you very much. But let me tell you something. I will not be alive and watch another woman take you away from me. Never! It's not going to happen. You better get that into your head. Get that into your head, Shadrach.
I don't get it. Did I sign any agreement that you're going to be my life partner? Is there anywhere that we sign something that I'm going to end up with you? So where's all these things coming from?
Meaning? No, meaning, why are you looking at me like that? Meaning? So after giving you all the styles in this world, giving you doggy, the way you want it, telling me, oh baby, now you want to dump me for another woman. You're a big joker, Shadrach. Shadrach, if you allow the beast in me to come out, you will not like me. You will not like me, Shadrach. Don't allow the beast in me to come out. Rubbish. Hey! Just try me. Try me, Shadrach. Nonsense.
Can you imagine? Wait. Is she threatening me or something? It's time I end this thing we'll call relationship before it turns to something else.
Grandma.
Yes.
I like Auntie Immaculate. She's a good woman. I want her to be my mom.
And who is Auntie Immaculate?
Don't you know her? She comes all the time to meet Daddy, even another woman.
Hey. Another auntie comes here to see your daddy.
Yes, Grandma. She's a good woman. You can ask that. She will tell you about her.
Good woman. Auntie Immaculate.
Ma, good evening,
yes.
Ma.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. My dinner is served.
Have you called my son?
No, I'll go now and inform him.
Call him. Tell him we are waiting for him.
Alright, ma.
Hurry up.
Alright, ma. Thank you.
Greetings, sir.
Greetings, my son. How are you?
I'm very much fine, sir.
You are here to see who?
Actually, my name is Shedrack. Okay. And I'm here to...
Hi. Hello, Mr.
Hi, Chantal.
Hello.
How are you? Looking good.
Oh, thank you.
That must be your father.
Oh, yes. That's my old boy.
Oh, I see.
Good to see you again.
Same here, my pleasure.
Thank you. My sister, your fiancé, is not at home.
Oh, so where could she be then?
Hospital.
Hospital? What? What happened? What's she doing in the hospital?
Oh, take a chill pill. Listen, it's a long story, but she's getting better.
Please, which hospital is that so I can go there immediately?
St. Luke's Hospital.
Please, where is it located?
Just within the neighborhood, not far. When you take your left, the first right.
I'll just search on Google, St. Luke's, right? Hospital. Okay, I have to be on my way now.
That's fine, but where is your car?
Oh, I parked outside.
Okay, I'll walk you.
You will?
After you.
That's nice of you. Let's go.
My sister will tell me I'm the nicest.
So, actually I have something to meet up with, so I'll be on my way now.
It's okay.
Take good care of yourself. I hope to see you again.
Same here.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Stay safe.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm talking to you. I am talking to you. Wait there.
Were you talking to me?
Yes, I am talking to you, man snatcher.
Excuse me. Are you okay? Do you go around the neighborhood talking to people, saying rubbish to them? Hello, do you know who I am?
You are nothing but a man snatcher. That is what you are.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Have you lost it? How dare you? Who are you? Look at this nitwit. You come here and insult me?
You slapped me. I swear to God, you will regret the rest of your life for raising your filthy hands on me. Stay away from my man, you man snatcher. I don't know what you are doing with my man. You see that guy? If you see him, make sure you follow another direction. Stay away from him.
Hey, listen, shut up. I am not a dog, and I don't associate with one.
Okay.
The next time you come backing at my gate, I'll do something you will not regret in a hurry. Stupid thing. Get out.
Stay away from my man, you man snatcher. I will not repeat myself again. Idiot. So you are the fool that has been causing me emotional trauma. No problem. But you will regret your life if you don't stay away from my man. Fool! Idiot! Huh?
Oh, fighting. This war.
Hi.
Hi.
I was at your place this afternoon and your sister told me what happened. I said I must come to see you immediately.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. You look like someone I've seen before.
Yes. At the house the last time. I'm Shedrack.
Oh, I remember. You are welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
Assam, how are you feeling?
Mom, I feel tired, but I'm okay.
Don't worry. You'll soon be fine. Let me check on the doctor.
It's okay, Mom.
So, tell me, what really happened?
What did you tell my sister the day you came to my father's house?
Please, let's not talk about this here. Your condition does not permit it.
You do not tell me what my condition permits. What did you tell my sister? Why would you lie against me? Why did you tell her that I am your fiancé?
Immaculate, please, can we talk about this later? I'm begging you.
Listen and listen good, Shadrach. I have nothing to do with you. I am not your fiancé, and I will never be. So please, leave me the hell alone and stay out of my life. Understand? Mom.
What is it?
Mom, it's nothing actually. I'll be taking my leave now.
Okay. Immaculate?
Mom. Fine. That was the same man that lied to Chantel that he was my fiancé. I have nothing to do with him. He's just a friend. An old friend.
It's okay. You have to calm down. Remember your condition. The doctor will soon be here. Okay?
Thank you, Mom.
Nothing will stop us from continuing. The only thing we get is to make it so calm. I have to make everything or things so nobody.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
I'm sorry for what happened. Your people are blaming me for everything.
I don't talk about that in this place. When I get out of this place, we can settle this outside.
Alright. My mom came. Yeah, my mom. She came from the village. She's been asking of you.
I hope you told her I'm not the only woman in your life right now.
Babe, don't say this. Don't say this. You are the only woman in my heart, and you'll always be.
I doubt it. She devil. What have you come here to do? So you wanted me dead, so you can steal him? Really?
My love, calm down, calm down. You don't need this now.
Baby, please ask her to leave this place. I never ever want to set my eyes on her. Ask her to go.
Fine, fine. You need to go.
Oh, please, stop it. I'm not here for you. You're just so dramatic.
Get out.
This is the reason I never wanted to come here in the first place.
I don't need your visit. Just leave. You're shameless. Get out.
Today is not Christmas. Whatever. I'm leaving. Duh.
This world, can you tell me why
John, get that dirty hand off my face. What's the meaning of that rubbish?
Susanna, you know the romantic at all.
See, what kind of place is that? I don't like this.
Person gonna follow you place sef, your body dey hot, your blood dey hot like say tomorrow.
I don't like it. Stop it. I don't like it.
Susanna. See, make I tell you, all this nonsense wey you dey do so, make I tell you so, all this nonsense you go stop one day. Dey see this gate man work wey I dey do so, make I tell you say no be today I dey do am. You dey hear o? I don get certificate for government. Dey hear me? So no come use your own dey form dey give me. Dey hear o?
Get out. I'm busy.
Busy because I say you dey watch one best friend and wetin wey dey watch. Now you dey busy. Abeg make I hear word. Make I hear word abeg. Come give me food.
Which food?
Afternoon food na.
What's the time? It's not 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock no be afternoon food to eat for. I no understand.
I'm not serious.
Abeg come give me afternoon food abeg. If you no come give me, I go put call o. I go call oga complain give am o.
Shema, I give you my phone. See, if you stress me, I'll go and call Oga Mama. It's like you're tired of your job. Are you tired?
Come, no use this my job.
Are you
to play
tired?
with me.
Respect yourself.
No use this my job to play with me. You dey hear me o?
Respect yourself.
If you say no be the way I take cry give oga that day, wey you wan sack me. So no use that one take play with me at all. Dey hear me? Abeg, come give me food, come give me food. Susanna, come give me food. Witchcraft, come give me food.
Two sisters fighting for a man. Battle for love. Battle for love. Baby, my love, no go leave me. I must fight. Battle for love. Battle for love. I must fight. Baby, my love.
The doctor said he might discharge her today. But Immaculate is saying that she's still having pains.
In that case, let us see how it goes before the end of today.
It's okay. Let me quickly go and see.
Daddy, Mommy, none of you should order me to go see that friend in the hospital anymore. I got the worst embarrassment of my life today. She's even doing better than I am. Obviously, she does not need me, and I don't need her too. I can do better than she is. Excuse me.
Are you sure she has not gone down and caused another fight?
Let me quickly rush and see her. Because I know Immaculate will be disturbed with her visit.
Please go immediately.
She will be uncomfortable. Let me see you when I come.
Go immediately.
Shadrach, you see that girl? I am going to deal with her. I will deal with her. Now she will regret she was ever born.
Okay. Who are you talking about?
Oh, you know exactly who I am talking about. The girl you went to their house to see. I've seen her. I've seen exactly what she looks like. You see that girl? I am going to deal with her to the extent that she will wish she was never born.
Have you lost it?
Oh yes, I have lost it, Shadrach. I have lost it.
Oh, so what you now do is to follow me about, huh? Listen, Rita, I'm tired of this whole thing. It's over between us, so I needed to go in there, pack all your things and leave my house this minute.
You're a joker. I mean, you're a joker. Oh. You're what?
You think so?
Yes.
Do I look like I'm joking?
Of course you are. Can't you see?
I'm tired of going through the same thing with you over and over again. It's over between us. Go in there, pack your things, you're leaving this minute.
It can never be over between us. Shadrach, you read my lips again. It can never be over between us. Yes, so I am not leaving this relationship for anybody. We die here. Shadrach, we die here. I am not leaving this relationship for any motherfucker. Because of that idiot, you want to dump me after sleeping with me. Giving you different style, you want to leave me for that idiot. It's not possible. Shadrach, you go nowhere. This relationship can never be over.
Franklin,
Mother.
It has been 2 days since she came and she hasn't returned. I hope there is no problem.
There's no problem, Mother. There's no problem. She's a busy person. She's doing something, you know, work at the office. When she's less busy, she'll come.
I learned she's not the only woman visiting you here. Are you planning to marry 2 wives?
Mama, who's been feeding you with this information? I have only one woman in my life, one.
And who is the second woman?
Mama, relax now. Yeah? Calm down. Believe me. Anything I tell you, believe me. I'm not a child. I'm an adult. I have just one woman in my life and she's the one I'm going to marry.
Is she the one that came here?
Mama Zukwani Ike.
Now where's Ike?
Zukwani Ike. I thought you came here to rest. Relax.
I want to know everything about you.
Okay.
To get married.
Gaza, somebody bring this envelope so look I give him a man.
Man or woman?
Man.
Mama, it's not for you, it's for me.
I want to know now.
You want to know?
Tony, I'll keep calling you Tony, because that's your name. Why you denying me? Why claim you do not know me? Have you forgotten? These pictures we're taking the day you visited me at school and asked me to be your wife. That's it. Tony, why are you denying me? Why are you denying me? Please come back to me. I still love you.
You're leaving my house.
I am not going anywhere.
No, you're leaving.
I am not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I am not leaving this house. Never.
You're leaving my house.
Nonsense.
And nothing will stop it.
Wait, Shedrack, you lie. I'm not leaving this house for anybody. What nonsense. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere. Shedrack, leave me alone. I am not going anywhere. Leave me alone.
You're leaving my house today. I can't continue to live with a lady that cannot respect me or give me peace of mind in my own house.
You are going to regret this, Shedrack. You are going to regret this. Leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere.
I have nothing to regret. It's over between you and me.
It is not over. I'm not leaving this house for any motherfucker. I'm not leaving this house. Leave me alone.
You're still threatening me.
Yes.
You're still
I'm not
threatening
going
me.
anywhere. What nonsense? You say this relationship is do or die. Yes, so it's do or die. You're not going anywhere. You are my man forever. What's that?
It's over between us.
It's not over. It can never be over, Shedrack.
Agali, this is not the agreement we had when I introduced you to this business. We agreed on 60-40. You take 60, you give me my 40. I told you, you said you were fine with it. Now money has been paid. Why are you telling me stories?
Franklin, why are you not being considerate? Huh? We are businessmen and we do business to make profit. And moreover, 70-30 is not a bad deal.
That's what you're telling me. 70-30 is not a bad deal. Why didn't you say it when I introduced you to the business? You never mentioned 70-30. We said 60-40 and you told me you were fine.
Franklin, why are you being so selfish? Moreover, I'm the one that take the risks and everything to make sure this business falls in place. And you're here being so selfish. What is all this?
Are you
threatening me?
You have 7 days. 7 days, give me my money, else you will not like what I'll do.
Franklin, I can't give you anything more than 30%. And that is final.
Hey. 7 days, oh. 7 days.
You can keep threatening for all I care.
I'm not
scared of you.
What kind of
selfish human being is this? Somebody's your threat. You can't do anything to me.
What have we not said to Chantel? That Immaculate is her elder sister. And that she must respect her in all ramifications. Okay, Immaculate's wedding is almost at hand. Olugo himself. And she's trying to disrupt it.
It is not fair at all. I don't know why Chantel is proving this stubborn. I have tried in every way to convince her to forget whatever she had in the past with Franklin. But no, she is bent on disrupting their wedding.
Did you say whatever she had with Franklin? How are you sure that she's talking about the same Franklin that we know?
My dear, you are asking this question as if you are a stranger. Who else was in that picture she showed us? Is it not the same Franklin that both of us know? I'm beginning to think that there are many things, certain things about Franklin's past that we do not know.
My dear, I will advise you not to bring such, because that will cause more confusion and trouble in this house.
I think we should make more inquiries to find out between Franklin and Chantel who among them is telling the truth.
That is not the point here. What we should be thinking is how to convince Chantel to allow our elder sister wedding to go on.
Now tell me, how do you intend to achieve that when Chantel is bent on disrupting her sister's wedding?
We have to put our heads together and think. After all, they are our children. Let us think.
I'm so happy you fully recovered. So, next thing, wedding plans.
That sounds about right. Baby, how do you plan to resolve this issue with my sister?
Please. There's no issue between me and your sister. If she makes further trouble, I'll have no other option than to arrest her. If she gets to the police station, she will explain to them how she got those pictures.
But you know, that would not be easy. Chantel, I know, she's quite stubborn.
Well, we'll see. At this point, nobody... Brother! Nabi, bad guy. Sit down now, what's up? Hey! Whoa! What's up? Sit down. Whoa!
Immaculate?
Mr. Shadrach.
You two know each other?
Yes. Can I talk to you outside, please?
Why?
Let me just see outside, briefly.
Why do you need him to go outside with you? To tell him lies? My love, he is my ex. Yes, we lost contact long ago. And I saw him a couple of weeks back.
Ex? Excuse me. Ex? What's going on? Guy, is this what you want to discuss with me outside?
Yes. That's the woman I've been telling you about. My fiancée.
Excuse me. But now for you, did you smoke something? What do you mean you're a fiancé? So the woman I've been telling you about, she's the one I want to marry. I'll get married to her in 2 weeks.
Huh? I can't believe this.
Now you will believe her more. What's going on?
How can this be possible? My Immaculate is the woman Franklin wants to marry. No, I will not let this happen. I love Immaculate so much, and I'm ready to go to any length to have her or to myself. I will just talk to Franklin.
Baby, good afternoon, my love. How are you?
And what are you doing here? I thought I warned you never to step your foot in my house ever again.
Baby, I'm sorry. I said whatever I said out of anger. Promise to be on my best behavior, please. Please, you know I love you so much.
Rita,
Please, I'm sorry.
you threatened to deal with me, and that means a lot.
I said whatever I said out of anger. Please forgive me. You know I love you so much. I love you. You mean the world to me, baby.
Rita, please, leave.
Baby, why are you doing this? Baby, please. Please forgive me for everything. Please, I promise to be on my best behavior. Please,
Now it's too late. It's too late, Rita. I need you to leave my house this minute. And I don't want to ever see you here again. If I do, you will not like what I'll do to you. I'm serious about it.
Baby, please. Baby,
oh, please!
I love you, baby.
Have it. I guess you forgot this. Have it!
Shadrach.
Listen, I do not want to see you in my house ever again. The next time I see you here, I will have you arrested. As a matter of fact, you will not like my actions.
Shadrach. Shadrach, I will go.
Good. Please.
But I swear with my late mother's grave, I will never forgive you for this. I will make you pay dearly for causing me emotional pains. And as for that bitch, that idiot, I will render her life useless. I will make her life miserable. I will make her regret coming into this world.
That's enough now.
And so shall it be.
Leave.
This world, can you tell me why you are fighting?
Shadrach, go straight to the point. Stop beating about the bush.
Frank, what I'm trying to say is that I want you to please leave Immaculate for me. I love her so much. As a matter of fact, I can't even do anything without her. She's everything and more that I've ever wanted in a woman. And I'm willing to do anything for you, just for you to leave her for me. Please.
Get out of my car.
Why? You haven't even said anything concerning what I just told you.
Get out of my car.
Is this how you want it, Frank? I wanted us to talk like two grown-ups. I wanted us to sort this out amicably. But it seems like it's not what you want, so I'm going to do it my own way.
For the last time, bros, get out of my car.
I will. No problem.
This world, can you tell me why you are fighting? You get one murderer, fighting. Wow, fighting. Can you tell me the reason why you wanna fight? You wanna fight, battle for all, battle for love.
Franklin, I have so much respect and regard for you.
But your actions today have proven to me that you don't deserve any of that. I'm on my own from today going forward. I love Immaculate so much and I will not let you have her. Never. I will apply all measures to make sure that doesn't happen. I promise. Hello, Hello? Chantal? Hello, Chantal, can you hear me? Okay, so where are you now? I'm headed to the junction, so meet me up, okay?
This world, can you tell me why you are fighting? You get one man fighting. Whoa, fighting. Can you tell me the reason why you wanna fight? You wanna fight? Battle for all, battle for love. You may be different as the sun and moon, but now blood and the same womb. Now blood flows in your body. Something is fishing, mama. Can't you feel it, mama? Something is not right, mama. Can't you see?
Hello, Chantal. Where are you at the moment? What? You're being followed by who? Okay, just drive careful, okay? Send me the Google location of where you are at the moment. I'm coming right away. Please be careful, okay?
Madam,
What is it?
Madam, I don't know what happened to small madam.
Which small madam?
Your daughter Chantel.
My daughter Chantel, what
I was
about
outside the gate. She ran in and collapsed on the ground.
On the ground? Outside the gate?
Yes.
Hey!
I spoke with my mother. Yes, I told her I'll be coming with you day after tomorrow to see her.
Thank you. I cannot wait to meet her.
She can't wait to meet you as well. Susan, is my daughter still sleeping?
Yes, sir. Sir, we need to get more fruit. There's no more fruit in the fridge.
Alright, remind me when I'm done eating.
Okay, sir.
Baby, excuse me, my mom. Hello, Mom. What? When? How? Is she fine? Okay, I'll come home immediately. My God.
What's wrong?
Chantel, she narrowly escaped being kidnapped.
Jesus. Where is she now?
She's at home, at our house. I need to go home immediately.
Calm down, alright? Calm down. I'll drop you off, okay?
Okay.
Calm down, calm down. She'll be fine, please.
Where's Mom? Chantel.
Mom is inside.
Okay.
Come.
Dad.
Come. I need to ask you something.
Is she okay?
Just calm down.
Okay.
Your sister said you had a hand in her attempted kidnap. Is that true?
What? Is she insane? What sort of... Dad, Chantel accused me of having a hand in a kidnap and you believed her?
It's not as if we believe, but we just want to hear from you.
What do you want me to say? Of course I have nothing to say to you. What? I can't even... Oh my God, I can't even fathom it in the first place. What is this? Listen, Dad, if Chantel is planning to use this as a distraction towards the preparation of my wedding, it will not work. It will not disrupt my wedding, Dad. One Chantel. This is enough. Enough is enough. Is she crazy?
Immaculate, this is a serious matter. And you have not said anything.
Dad, I just told you I have nothing to say. If Chantel is so sure of her accusation, let her go to the police. Let's start from there. You know what? I was busy with my fiancé when Mom called me. As it stands, I'm going back there.
What? Your sister accused you of sending assassins after her? I don't believe this. This is serious. Such a matter should not be swept under the carpet. No.
I understand.
No. It's not a matter of understanding. I say no. I mean, this is deep. I mean, she's taking this thing too far. It's no longer a matter of sister to sister issue. It is deep. For your sister to have the mind to accuse you of something this serious, it means she can hurt you if she gets the chance.
Oh, well, you're right. But, come on. She's still my sister. Relax. She won't do anything. I know Chantel.
My love, if you ask me, stay away from your house. At least for now. You can come stay with me here.
What? Baby, I cannot run away from my father's house. Chantel will not do anything to me.
Sheila, listen to me. You need to stay away from your father's house. I know your sister. I think I can predict what she can do. Your sister is desperate. She can do anything to get what she wants.
Baby, I understand your concern. You know what? I'll be cautious. Henceforth, I'll just, tread carefully. But asking me to run away from my father's house is something I cannot do. I mean, if Chantel messes with me one more time, I'll stand up to her, toe to toe. Relax. I'll be fine.
Right. Just be careful, okay?
I am, always.
My darling, please, you take her to school and you bring her back.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay.
Daddy, why are you not coming to pick me?
I need to rush to the office. I have something to take care of.
Don't worry. I'll drop you off at school and I'll pick you back, okay?
See you.
Actually, I'm here to see you concerning our last discussion. It's about Immaculate. I love Immaculate so much, and I would like you to please allow me to marry her. I love her.
Are you done?
What do you mean if I'm done?
Are you done talking?
Listen, Frank, you know how important this is, and that is why I'm here to plead with you to please allow me to marry Immaculate. I love her so much.
Leave my house. If you're done talking, leave my house. If I say it again, I'll get you arrested. Get out of my house.
What do you mean I should get out of your house?
Leave my compound now.
Frank, do not take my gentleness for cowardice, because I'll stop at nothing but to make sure that I get my beloved back.
John, open the gate for me.
Immaculate, we promised each other marriage. And here you are now. I'm not going to let this man take you away from me. That I promise.